Mouth-watering chicken, and I'm gonna teach you how to make it. Let's go. Alright, y'all, I got the instructions written here for you for all the barbecue sauce, the rub, everything. If I went too fast, don't worry, at the end I got everything written out for you. You can pause it there, take a screenshot. When I put the dry rub on, as you see on the left side, I separate the skin. I get it on the inside of skin, the outside of skin, on the meat, you know, everywhere. Put it everywhere. Don't be ashamed of it. Get that seasoning all over it, nice and good. Pat it dry first to get that slime off. It helps it stick a little bit better and it doesn't all stick to your fingers, so you can spread it out more evenly. You know, you gotta make this stuff with some love here, you know. Light a candle, put some Marvin Gaye on, and do the thing. Forgot to mention earlier, if you stretch the skin out too much, don't worry about it. Get some toothpicks and you can pin it back together. It's all good. Light your smoker 325. I use hickory. If you got like a pellet smoker or something, use the hickory pellets in there. And yeah, let's go. My guests absolutely love this. My friends, my family, every time I make them, you know, got that sweet, smoky flavor. Always moist. You'll see in the end, just dripping with flavor everywhere. Let's go. I've always used Budweiser. I'm from Pennsylvania. I know I should be using Yuengling. Being from Pennsylvania and all, but Budweiser is what I've always used. Feel free to use, you know, any type of lager that you can. I always like to put the thermometer in the deepest part of meat. Here you go. These are instructions for the barbecue sauce right here. You know, I put it all over everywhere. Here's my hot tip. You know, I'll inject 5 ounces into each breast. You know, about 3 ounces or so on each side and the back and then the thighs. And then I just spread that sauce all over, everywhere, at 125 degrees. I usually hit it again around like 145, you know, maybe another like 155 or so. That gets it nice and caramelized for when it's done at 165. You don't gotta inject it. That's just an extra step that I do, and it really brings out that flavor. But if you ain't got an ejector, don't worry about it. You know, it's always moist. Just look at that color and the flavor on this thing. Man, you guys are going to love it. Make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, you know, feel free, message me in the comments. See, coming up, I got a couple slides coming up, you know, for you to take the ingredients, the instructions for the barbecue sauce, the rub, everything that you need. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Wanted to make this a quick little video for y'all. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Glad to share it with y'all. A candle loses nothing by lighting another. So, hopefully I inspired somebody and you guys love this as much as me and my guests do. Let me know what you want me to do next in the comments section. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. I hope I went slow enough for you. After the still shots, I did a scrolling list for you as well. Keeping it nice and slow. I figured it was slow enough for you guys to pause it and take a screenshot. Maybe I'll write it out and put a link in the description for you if that helps out. Thanks.